Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Yesterday, we began talking about regrouping in two-digit subtraction. In subtraction, you regroup by breaking apart a 10 and redistributing it or moving it around as 10 ones. This allows you to subtract ones without confusion. Let's keep practicing this with yesterday's challenge problem, 32 minus 27. So the first thing we need to do is set it up vertically. And I think I know what to do to set that up nice and correct. Done. Does that look good? It looks fine to me. 7 is bigger than 2, so clearly 27 is the whole. Oh, okay. Why is 32 bigger than 27? Because 32 has 3 tens and 27 has 2 tens. Oh, okay. Well, then I will fix this. I will put 32 on top and 27 on the bottom. And I've already got my 32 as the whole here, so I don't need to fix that. But now I'm concerned because now it's 2 take away 7. I can't take 7 out of 2. I don't have enough here to take 7 away. So what should I do? I should regroup. If I don't have enough ones, I can take one of these 10s and break it apart into 10 ones. I can regroup. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to circle this 10 and I'm going to break it up into 10 ones. Bear with me for one moment while I set that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I have my 10 ones now that I broke apart that I had in that 10. So now what I can do is I can take away 7, right? Because now I have 10, 11, 12 ones, and I have 2 10s. So instead of 3 10s and 2 1s, now it's set up as 12 1s and 2 10s. And did I actually get rid of anything when I did that? No, I didn't. I just took a 10 and broke it apart so it could go in the ones place. I didn't actually get rid of anything or subtract anything. I just moved stuff around. And now I can take away 7 ones. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many ones do I have left now? Yeah, I have 5 ones left now. 12 take away 7 is 5. And now I need to take away 2 10s. So I had these 2 10s left that I didn't break up, so I can just take those away. I'm going to take away 1 10, 2 10s. So what's 2 take away 2? It's nothing. I don't need to put anything here. I took 2 10s away from 2 10s, and I'm left with nothing. So what is 32 minus 27? Yeah, it's 5. 32 minus 27 equals 5. And I used regrouping to help me figure that out. Let's try with another problem now. The next one I have is 40 take away 18. So I remember from last time, I should look at my 10s to help me figure out which number is bigger. And this one has 4 tens and this one has 1 10. So I think 40 is my whole because it's bigger. So 40, take away 18. And I've already set up here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract, except, oh, well, I have no ones here, but it wants me to take away 8 ones. But I don't have any ones to take 8 away from. So what should I do? I should regroup. That's right. Okay. Well, I'm going to break up this 10 then. And I'm going to move it into the ones place as 10 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, there we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I have my 10 ones that I made from that 10. I regrouped. So that means I have 10 ones here now instead of no ones. And I have 3 10s instead of 4 10s. So I have those 10 ones and 3 10s. And like I said, I didn't actually get rid of anything. I didn't delete anything. I didn't take anything away. I just moved it around. I regrouped it. So I went from 4 10s and no ones to 3 10s and 10 ones. And now I'm able to subtract, right? Because I can take 8 out of 10. So let's go ahead and take away 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how many ones am I left with? Yeah, I'm left with 2. 10 take away 8 is 2. Good job. Let's look at our 10s now. I have 3 10s. I'm taking away 1. So I'm going to go ahead and take away a 10. How many 10s am I left with? Yeah, I'm left with 2 10s. 3 take away 1 is 2. So when I subtract 18 from 40, I'm left with 2 10s and 2 1s. What's 40 minus 18? Yeah, it's 22. So I was able to regroup or redistribute my 10s and 1s in order to take away 18 from 40, and I was left with 22. You guys have done an amazing job. I think you're ready for some bigger numbers, so I'll show you our challenge problem. It is 66 minus 37. You guys are going to do amazing with it. I'm so excited to work on it with you tomorrow. I want you to keep working hard, keep doing your packets and going on Zern, and I hope you have a lovely day.